What's up everyone, welcome back to a new video. We're gonna talk about GoFundMeme and what is the potential. This is a new competition coming up for PumpFun and I am supporting it all the way and I will explain you all the details in this video. We're also gonna take a look at some undervalued meme coins that are now running on GoFundMe and are early. So when this pops off and GoFundMe becomes bigger and bigger, what I believe it will do, this is not financial advice at all, this is my personal opinion, make sure to do your own research, but I believe this will happen. And when it happens, a lot of degens, a lot of people will come to the platform and will take a look, what were the first runners, what was the first coins, what was the first cat, what was the first dog, what was the first AI, what was this? That's just how people move. You can also see that on PumpFun that it happened there. So first mover advantage is very important and we are early if you take advantage of this, because let's take a look at the price of the GoFundMe platform. We're talking about GFM. If we take a look right here, we can see nice chart. We see a massive run up from around 10 million market cap towards 120 million, 180 million, something like that. So that was a massive run up in only 12 days. So you can imagine that a lot of people had FOMO as well, fear of missing out, to not miss the big next thing. Why? Because it's giving revenue back to the stakers of GFM token. That is absolutely insane if you know what PumpFun earns. So if we take a look at the revenue of PumpFun, it's at this moment 500 million, and then the last month it was 100 million, 120, 130 million. That's insane. That's even more revenue than Ethereum did. So that's actually insane if you take a look at it, and it's only existing 1 year. Now we have GoFundMe that's only existing not even 2 weeks. If they only can get 10 or 20%, that's 50 to 100 million. That would be monthly 15-30 million monthly. Can you imagine what stakers will earn if you're staking GFM? That will actually be insane. So it's an early opportunity, guys. You got to see the vision, you got to see you have to have the conviction, but that's where you actually make the huge money with not that much investment. Where you take the risk, you support an early project, an early ecosystem that is building in the GFM ecosystem. I truly believe this ecosystem of GoFundMe will thrive insane in this coming year. And I'm actually really excited about it. Now, if you take a look at the price, just going to give everyone an update what I am looking at myself. It would be very good if we come back to the 10 million. I think it will be very fast as well. A lot of people will have some orders right there. That's just my opinion, what I am thinking at, where we could be heading next. This could also be the absolute bottom, but don't forget this is a massive breakout. And most of the time after a massive breakout of this, we will have some sort of retest. And you saw it would want to do it, but it was just too bullish. At this moment, the market is a bit decisive in the overall crypto market. So there is a high probability that we could go even lower towards 10 million. But I tell you, if that would happen, I think it will end up like this. So you got to be fast or you got to get some limits ready. But this is a perfect time to start entering, in my opinion. I started buying as well at 30-40 million. I am DCing in more. If you would go lower, I am buying big. I'm just sharing what I am doing. So bullish for GFM, very great time as well to buy it up, load it up, stake it, make sure to profit of those rewards that are coming to the platform. And I will show you, if you come to the platform, you click right here onto staking. You will see the amount of stakers, 3,343, 282 million is staked, so 28% of the supply is staked right now. And you have a total fees earned of 320 SOL. Now, if you take a look at Solana, Solana is at this moment $200. So if we take a look right here and we take 220 Solana, that we have $66,000 that they have earned in less than 2 weeks, guys. Less than 2 weeks, okay? I think we can easily 10x this, easily. And if you paid attention to what I said about PumpFun, you should know that it can even be 100x or a lot more. So do your own research, but it's a massive opportunity. Now, before we look into some undervalued meme coins that I actually believe in as well, that they have a long-term vision for this ecosystem and that they want to thrive in it, first let us take a look at something funny that a lot of people ask, like, did they launch their own token on the platform? No, they didn't. Why? Let me show you why. If we go down, we will see right here. What do we see right here? GFM, GoFundMe. Why did they did this? Because it will be actually really fun to end the cycle. You get that? So what they're planning to do is, if this becomes, I'm targeting at least 1 to 5 billion market cap is possible. At least. And you will see, when bigger people start backing it, and they see that it's working, and that it's thriving for longer than 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and they see constantly development, they see community growth, you will see what happens. It will go fast. So when that happens and they come up here, they will be like one of the number ones on PumpFun, because not a single one is right now at 1 billion. So if they make it to 1 to 5 billion, they will be here first. And that's to make a statement, and that's to end the cycle. That's to show that if you take all the revenue and you just sell it on the market and you dump your Solana, that the community and the crypto people are gonna start backing something like this, where all the Solana goes back to the stakers and give it back to the community. And also the nicest thing right here is, if you invest in a project, you get fees if you fund it. Like for example, you click onto Frogato, you can see harvested fees 7.4. You can get a percentage of this in rewards if you have funded it when it's pre-bonding. So if you click right here, you can see this is the new tokens. They need to get filled. They have 3 hours the time to get filled. This is a pre-sale. You can see all the tokenomics. If it's not get filled, it's done, and you can just refund your full money. So you lose nothing. But the best part is, I will show you with another wallet. But first of all, let us take a look at what's possible in terms of rewards. Let's talk about ZIGGY. ZIGGY 100% is gonna stay here. You can see on the chart a lot of people have traded it. It had a massive pump from around 8-9k towards 80k. Now everybody's selling off. DEF is holding. I have control over the DEF wallet. This is a project that I launched, but I'm not gonna talk about it in this video. I will make a video separately for that. But all I can say is, guys, you can trust me. I'm never gonna wreck this. I hold all the supply that is now holding the bottom. I hold that. I don't think there is much people that can sell right now. We're literally at the bottom. For a little bit of money, you can grab 1 or 2% of the supply. You can hold, you can join Telegram, you can come work with us. We're actually gonna build something huge and big. Why? How we're gonna do this? Look, this is the DEF wallet that I'm now right now in. This is DEF wallet. As you can see, we also bought 0.2 yesterday just to support the chart. We bought that. But our fund position was 4 sold that we invested as DEF, and it was a total raise of 15%, 15 sold. So you can see right here, if you click onto swap, we're holding 14% in this DEF wallet. This will never be sold. This will only be used to burn, lock, maybe use it for donation, charity. We are looking with the community how we are gonna do that. But as you can see right here, rewards, this wallet has earned 0.36 Solana and 4 million ZIGGY. If you take a look, 4 million ZIGGY, how much is it worth? 0.1. So I have 0.5 Solana, it's around $100 in just a small time frame, and not much volume, not much is happening. We just had this massive run up, and that's it. A lot of snipers, people sold, traders. DEF didn't sold anything. We don't have any other wallets that we're trading or selling with. That's not what we want to do. We actually want to build something huge. Why? Look at the rewards. Once I claim this, I can use this to buy back, maybe buy GFM and stake that with the DEF wallet, and use that SOL that we earn to buy back ZIGGY. It's also something that we can do. We also want to reward holders, charity, airdrops. We want to do amazing stuff, and we know it's possible. We just need to have some more community come behind this. I can dox myself. I can come in the Telegram, do video chat. Like, I have pure intentions, but I need people to back each other. Like, this is a project, is by the people, for the people. So if you see the vision and you believe in it, make sure to join us. We happily welcome you, because we have massive things coming for this. You can take a look as well at the X. It's also now building on TikTok, almost 400 followers. Slowly but steady. We are not trying to push it too much. This is the owner of ZIGGY. This is why I launched the token. You can check out the story right here. This is not just a meme coin or a coin to grift and to take money. And no, like, I always wanted to launch a meme coin, but I'm gonna talk about it next video. But I always wanted to launch a meme coin, but I had to have some purpose. I cannot launch just a shit meme coin, and for me it's no. For me it's just, it doesn't feel right. When I saw this, I was like, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take action. I'm not gonna keep thinking. I'm just gonna do it, and I will see what happens. And we had massive success, but I should have managed a bit better, and at the top sold myself, so now I could buy back in. But yeah, if you're an honest person, some other people will take advantage of that. But I believe if we stick to it and we show Ziggy's here to stay, people will come and back us, and we will make this happen, and we will grow it insanely, and also we will grow in the GFM ecosystem. And yeah, we just hope to be early supporters of this. So you can take a look right here at the page itself of Ziggy. Just look at Ziggy. Yeah, find out everything that you want about the project. Let me know. As you can see, good morning transfers 1 minute ago. He's taking a walk. Yeah, would be nice to see some support, guys. But let's go to the next. I will make a new video about this. If you have questions, leave it in the comment. Let me know what you think about it, because it's actually a really nice mission. Other projects that are interesting that I will take a look at just to show you. This is the first one that is launched on GoFundMe. But it has no Telegram, it has actually no team pushing it. But some community people are trying to CTO it. Excuse me. Some people are trying to CTO it. And I also believe when GFM starts running, this will start running. That's what I believe. Now, the second one that we have is SadCat right here. This is like the first project that's actually marketing and boosting itself with the LP fees. So this is showing the example, showing the lead, what is possible with the projects. So you can see that. So these two are very important in my opinion in the future. We will see how that goes, but I think so. Then something we also have that could have been a runner in the future is Ali. This is the founder itself. So take a look at that as well. Now, something that recently launched that I also invested in the funding was Gems. Also, this is a guy also for the people, by the people, actually trying to build for the small guys and trying to make the community, trying to build it, and just make it happen, guys. You can see it's honest early people working on here, trying to actually build something for the people that not only whales, cabals, and insiders profit off. Then NUTTY is also, we have some talks with the dev as well. Very honest people with a vision, but yeah, for now it's a bit hard to get the buys. You can see all the charts are a bit bottomed out. So in my opinion, it's a very good time to enter the GFM ecosystem, to grab a bag, to stake it, and to just be active right here. And join us. If you have questions as well, you can join the Ziggy community in the Telegram. You can find that on X or on the comments. Let's take a look at the comments of Ziggy. Yeah, it is really good. This something generally worth supporting. Love it. Everything is working except the love it, love it. Yeah, so for the Telegram, you can find it here on the X account. Join it and you can say hi. You will see I'm there as well. I will welcome you. So that was it for today, but I hope you had some interesting views on this. I hope you could see the opportunity for the GFM token to buy it. It could be interesting. No financial advice. Take a look at the GoFundMe ecosystem and realize all the money and revenue PumpFun is making, and if they catch a part of that. So let's take a look. Interesting tweet as well. We'll get at least 10-20% of Pump.fun revenue this year. It will be 1 to 5 billion market cap. Your 2K will be 57K at 1 billion. 2K will be 140K at 2 billion. 2K will be 258K at 5 billion. If it sounds too good to you, yes, we can do it. Sometimes you gotta believe in something that's trying to turn over the market. And you have the staking fees as well. And you have the LP rewards if you're funding projects. So if you have funded ZIGGY as well, you're earning LP fees forever. But I want to make something for the people that start joining the community that they will earn as well, even if they did not fund it. But I'm open for all suggestions. We even talked about probably relaunching the token if new people want that, and we do a higher pre-sale with more Solana raised, and everybody can fund it, and then we can start working as a team. Everything I'm open for, but for now the focus is on our main token, and we are not leaving it behind. Not at all. We are here to stay. Make sure to also check the story out of the owner. That would be very appreciated, because this has a meaning, guys. This is not just a fucking meme coin. Sorry for my words, but I mean it when I say it. Come check it out, okay? Take care, everybody. See you into the next video. I'm going to start uploading daily now. I'm going to try upload daily or 2-3 daily. So make sure to check out my channel. We're going to get this running. Take care, everyone.